Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Jordan, and I'm the clinic manager, and I'm excited to introduce to you the Functional Neurology Center here in Minnesota. The main question we'll explore today is: am I a good fit for the Functional Neurology Center? And equally important, what do you need to know before coming in? Over the next few slides, I'll walk you through who we are, what we do, and what makes someone a strong candidate for our care. At the Functional Neurology Center, we specialize in helping people with complex and neurological performance issues. We work with patients who often feel like they've run out of options, people dealing with concussions, dizziness, migraines, or other nervous system problems. What makes us unique is that we don't just look at the symptoms. We take a brain first, individualized approach to help folks regain function and performance. So the real question is, am I a good fit for the Functional Neurology Center? Well, not everyone needs the type of care we provide. A good place to start would be to sign up for a complimentary phone consultation with one of our doctors to dig deeper on the symptoms you are having and gain more insight to what we can do for your situation. But for those who do need our help, it can be life-changing. We help folks across the United States, globally, and of course locally here in Minnesota. We tend to help people who have tried other treatments but haven't found any relief or answers to what is going on. We're also a great fit for those who are motivated and ready to take an active role in their recovery and their performance. So, who is the FNC for? Really, our best fit patients include people recovering from post-concussion syndrome, TBIs, dizziness, or movement challenges. With that, we also often work with individuals who have dysautonomia, chronic fatigue, chronic pain, stroke, developmental disorders, FND, typically complex cases that kind of evolve around neurological wellness and performance issues. We also help athletes and professionals optimize their brain and body connection to improve performance. So whether you're struggling to get through daily life or trying to gain an edge in your sport or career, you might be a good candidate. So really, what sets us apart, right? What sets the FNC apart from other facilities? Well, we employ a multifaceted strategy that addresses the root cause rather than merely managing the symptoms. What we do is we create an individualized, custom approach for each person. We use cutting edge tools in our diagnostics and our therapies. And really, most importantly, our goal isn't to just give temporary relief, although that's an added benefit. It's really to create lasting improvement in how the brain and body function together. So, a few common questions that we often get. First one: how long is the examination process? So the examination process typically takes 90 minutes. We do have a discovery date option that is a little more extensive. It's an in-depth process that really takes the full day, being 3 appointments in that day. Another question: how long does care typically take? That one is very independent between each patient. We get a better sense and an idea of how long care can be once we've done that full examination process. So really, just to give a general idea, care can look anything like, hey, we want to see you, one time a week for the next, subsequent however many weeks. Or we do have an intensive model that usually ranges from 3 to 5 days that have 3 1-hour long appointments in each day. Another question: do you only see one doctor? So typically you will see the doctor that did the examination on you. With that being said, we do take a team approach. So you may see another doctor or rehab specialist on occasion during your therapies. Another good question is it only for complex cases? So we cater to everyone that is dealing with neurological issues. We help patients across all domains, no matter how complex or subtle the case is. To really get a full understanding, the best place to start would be to set up a complimentary phone consultation with one of our doctors. That way we can gain a better understanding of what's going on and help kind of direct you towards the right path. And then, how will I feel? This is a very common question. This is very individualized, as you may have guessed. Most patients will typically report feeling fatigued after therapy or the examination process. You want to kind of think of it as a workout for your brain. Now, back to the original question. Is the Functional Neurology Center right for you? So if you're ready for a personalized brain first approach, if you're ready to be an active participant in your recovery or performance journey, or if you're looking for answers when other options haven't worked out, then yeah, you're a great fit. The next step, it's super simple. Reach out to us for a consultation. We'd love to help you find clarity, direction, and progress. Thank you for your time.